next time you see me, you'll have $300,000 in your pocket. Right now, if you leave here tonight and you go to what I call Inc. file, INCFILE.com, and fill out that information, in 3 weeks, they'll send you a free LLC. Wow. Once you get that free LLC, what people don't know, I'm going to teach you how to get a free EIN. Now you take the information you got from IncFile.com, go to the IRS website, fill out that information and put the information you got from the IncFile.com into the IRS website. They send you a free EIN. This shit is right in front of us, and this is why we got to teach the world.
And EIN is like your Social Security,
right? Yes,
the business.
But now it gets deeper. Now you go to the bank and you put money into your account, $1,000, $500. Now what happens is the EIN number gets picked up by American Express. Now, American Express will send you an envelope in the mail, and it says exactly what it says. Your credit has grant you privilege. Now you put your corporation information in on American Express and fill it out. Right there on the phone, when you call in to get approved, you are approved. You got $200,000 to $500,000 platinum credit card. Less than 3 motherfucking weeks. No, 7 days.